Hey y'all, it's your girl Star, and I'm just going to show y'all a quick walkthrough of what the house looks like empty and clean here at Fort Wainwright, Alaska. So here's the front door. When you walk in, there's a closet, and you are in the Arctic way. So this is where you can put your benches or cubbies, whatever, where you take your shoes off. We got the coat rack. And then immediately we have the basement. It's a pretty big basement. When you come up from the basement, back from the main door, you walk in. Here's the kitchen with the little kitchenette. So you would put your dining room table in this area. And here's the kitchen. Lots of storage space. And your little pantry. Then you walk into this open living room. It's very big. So here's the living room. Off from the living room, we had a den, and we used this as our playroom. So it was a nice size room. This door leads to the bathroom. I'm gonna take you from this door. Here's the bathroom. It's a full bath. This is a 4-bed, 3-bath home. This is the garage. I'll take you there in a little bit. Let's go upstairs. Okay, at the top of the stairs, to the left, you have another full bath. Then this was our guest room. Pretty spacious. Our washer and dryer, storage above, and then we had like this weird nook. So we put like a dresser, or not a dresser, but like a little cabinetry over there. Then we have our second bedroom, which was very long. All 3 of our kids shared this room. Okay, now if you were to make a right at the top of the stairs, it'll take you to the master suite. Had 2 separate closets and a bathroom. And then for the 4th bedroom, we used this as a game room. Closet. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna take you guys to the garage. And so that door I just showed y'all, it led us to the backyard, but there's so much snow, I can't even open that door. But here's a view of the fenced-in backyard. It's very big, very spacious. And even though we had a backyard, the playground was literally right outside our door. You can go ahead and catch the snowfall. But yeah, that's my empty house tour of my Alaskan home. It is a bittersweet moment. I'm so happy to be leaving Alaska. So happy, but I'm so upset because it's like, this is where my kids grew up. This is what my kids know. And I'm just, it's like, two out of my 3 kids were born here. All my kids learned how to walk here. Like, it's just, we made a lot of memories in this home, but I'm ready to see the next chapter. So thanks for watching this video, and I can't wait to show y'all the next house tour in my new location. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.